wined and dined on mulligan stew, and never asked for turkey. I've hitched and I've hiked and I've grafted